How to fix Life360 location not updating. Now if you come across this issue, the first thing that you need to ensure is that the location option is enabled inside of this application. To ensure that, you can simply head over to the settings option on the top left, head over to location sharing, and make sure that this option is toggled on. If this option was not toggled on for you previously, this is the exact issue that you're facing. But however, if this is not the case for you, the other thing that you can also try out is try to close the application of Life360 from the recent app list, and also make sure that you have not turned on any sort of battery saver mode. If you have enabled the battery saver on your device, make sure you immediately disable this. So once you complete this step, try to see if this fixes the issue. If the issue still persists, then what you can try out is try to clear out the app cache of Life360. You can simply tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, scroll down, head over to storage, and then tap on clear cache. This ensures that any sort of glitches which might be causing this issue should be now fixed. Now even after trying all of these steps and you're still having issues with it, the last solution is you need to reinstall this application. So make sure you uninstall first of all and re-download and log into your account. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix the Life360 location not updating error. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.